Hello everyone, welcome to CS Codes. This video is about a C++ program to swap two numbers without using the third variable. So in this there are two ways of swapping numbers without using third variable. One is the addition and subtraction and other is the multiplication and division. So in this we are going to perform some operations between addition and subtraction to swap two numbers without using the third variable. First declaring the header files, then main function, then declaring the variables in the form of int as int a, b. So cout gets the input from the user as enter two numbers, and cin reads the input given by the user and stores in the variable a and b. The value of a is stored in a variable and the value of b is stored in b variable. So cout prints before swapping of numbers. Then I wanted to be the value of a and b below before swapping. So I wanted in the new line. So I have given \n. So now we are going to perform some operations between a and b using addition and subtraction. So let us assume the user entered input value of a and b is 5 and 10. So first operation a plus b, that is 5 plus 10. So it becomes 15. Now the value of a is 15. Then again b is equal to a minus b. Now the value of a becomes 15. So 15 minus the value of b is 10. So 10. So value of b is equal to 5. Then again a is equal to a minus b. The value of a we already know, that is 15 minus the value of b, it is 5. So 5 is equal to 10. So now you can see the value of a and b are swapped. Before, the value of a is 5 and the value of b is 10. Now you can see after swapping it shows the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 5. So the cout prints the after swapping values of a and b. So we can enter two numbers as I told for an example 5 and 10.